Welcome to US Art Supply. I'm Anh Pham, and today we'll be looking at the key components and supplies to achieve an epic pour. We will be covering materials and tools as well as tips and techniques that will help you get the most out of your creativity. First, let's take a look at the supplies that are necessary in this production. Unprimed pouring panels, acrylic paint, acrylic pouring medium, silicone pouring oil, graduated mixing cups, stirring sticks, riser pyramids, and a lighter torch. For pouring, you're going to want to use a mixed ratio of 1 part paint to 1 part acrylic gloss pouring medium. Next, add 1 to 2 drops of silicone pouring oil to your 1-to-1 mix and stir this very well. We'll be doing our pouring on unprimed panels. As you can see, I've elevated the panel from the table surface so that any runoff won't stick the panel to the table. Start to build your paint layers with a clean mixing cup and add a layer of paint to your cup. Then add additional colors in any way or form you like. Now we're going to flip the cup and let it sit for a minute, allowing the paint layers to drop down. Lift and swipe the cup. Then tip your panels, making sure the puddles begin to separate and seep towards the edges. Cover all the edges, and if you're not happy with the results, you can always allow extra runoff or even use your finger to help it to the edge. Now here's the most important part to creating cells. Use the torch to pop bubbles and create the desired cells. Pass only once with the torch, and remember, less is more. Now that your cells have created, let your artwork dry for about 1 or 2 days. I hope these tips and techniques help you create the most amazing paint pours that'll have them in awe every time. Thanks for watching. Be creative, stay colorful, and keep painting. For US Art, I'm Anh Pham.